What's going on, guys? Momo here. In this video I'm going to go over how you can use the Fibonacci tool to improve your consistency and profitability by a lot. So let's get to it, guys. Let's go over this video. First, you can see I already marked up everything, but I'm going to delete it. We're going to start all the way at the bottom. Okay, so first we'll rewind the chart a little bit, right? Rewind the chart to when price was all the way up here. So as you can see, first thing to do here is mark up your zone, mark up your key level right here, mark up your key level. And obviously we're waiting for price to retest this zone. We're waiting for a retest here, right? And obviously before we even wait for the retest, we can mark up our Fibonacci zone right here from this recent swing low all the way up here. We can see that this 61.8 level is right around the horizontal zone. One can even mark up the fib all the way down here at the very bottom, the very bottom swing low, right? So what do we do now? Now we wait for price. Since we have these two confluencing together, right? We have our break, we went for a retest, we went for the retest at the fib level, right? So now we wait for price to come in this zone and we look for an entry, right? So we're waiting. We have price come here, right? Price bounces right off our fib level. So you can replace a buy limit, in this case, place a buy limit, or you can wait for some confirmation right here to hop in, like we have this nice engulfing candle right here. So you can place a buy limit or wait for clear confirmation to hop in and go long. So let's say if we place a buy limit here, right, you can put your stop loss. I'll put it like all the way down here at the 0.786 level, right? Put the TP up here, right? That's a nice 1 to 3.3 risk reward, very high risk reward setup, right? If you want to wait for confirmation, right, you can even enter all the way up here, right? But I would say in this case you could probably put your stop loss a little bit higher, or mostly you can wait for a little bit of pullback. Normally when you see a push up like this, a nice engulfing candle, you have a little bit of pullback, right? So you can have at least put it around the 50% pullback level, right? So now this becomes a nice 1 to 2.2, right? After you see the indication, wait for a little bit of pullback and then you look for an entry, right? Put your stop loss all the way here just to be safe, right? So now, as you can see, we have price consolidating a little bit and then bam, smashes all the way to our take profit, right? We have a nice win. So let's say we took this one instead of the buy limit, right? We have a nice 2.29 risk to reward trade, right? Solid win. So now what are we waiting for? Waiting for another retest of another clear zone. So now we have GBP CAD right here. We have a nice zone right here. Price is going to retest this zone. So you extend this all the way, waiting for a retest here, and let's go to this is a little bit of a lower time frame right here compared to the previous one. Let me move this. So let's say this is more like a minute 30, minute 15 time frame, right? Minute 30, minute 15 time frame. I would say minute 15 in this case because we are in an hour one break and retest setup, right? So what do we do then? We take our fib, we draw it based on the minute 15 low right here all the way up. You can see we have our fib level, right? Our 0.618 level right in the horizontal zone right there. So now again we're waiting for a retest here. We can place a buy limit right here, a buy limit right at the zone. All right, place it like here. Sometimes you can place a little bit here because sometimes price barely comes here and then shoots up, right? I'm sure you guys have seen that before. You place sometimes a little bit higher, it'll be just a little bit lower risk reward, but it's all good though, no worries. Place your stop here and TP all the way up. Place it all the way up here. I like to place it a little bit lower just so I make sure it hits TP. This is still a 1 to 2.6 risk to reward trade, right? So what do? We wait, see what price does. Price comes slowly heading down and then bam, hits our entry. It's our entry, place it around for a little bit and then starts to bounce and go all the way up and hits our TP. So this is very straightforward trades. As you can see, we have a nice break retest at the Fibonacci level, right? And price bounces there and goes all the way to TP both times, right? So hope this video helped you guys a lot. Hope you guys learned a lot from this, and I hope you guys have a very solid journey being more profitable and consistent. And as always, guys, you can check my free channels below. Check it out, guys. Lots of free content below. And you know, hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.